Okay, in the past we have used the 3D model of our place as a reference of positioning, but right now we want to learn how to use a 2D plan of real place as a reference of our positioning system. For this way, we have to make sure the scale of this quad or this plane exactly the same like the real one and in this Unity one. For example, exactly like a 3D model, if in the real place the distance between this point and this point is equal 3 meters, it must be the same in the Unity. So the scale of it is equal with scale of in real condition. So we can use this 2D plan as a reference of our positioning system. For example, we want to open our game and start our game in front of this door when the user wants to enter to this lobby, and he needs to start his application exactly in here and in this direction. Then we can see all the points exactly in the correct position. For example, he can see the point 0 in here and also the point 1 in here. The important point is when you want to launch your application, it must be exactly in here and in this direction. If you want to open your application in here, in the real place, you have to put your AR camera, your AR session origin, not AR camera, AR session origin, exactly in here and in this direction. So the reference of all the points exactly equal like we made in the Unity editor. Okay, let's do test in the Unity and also in the real place.